Tina.
Hello, teacher.
What's your Vietnamese name?
My Vietnamese name is Thùy Linh.
Oh, okay. Thuy Linh.
Thùy Linh.
Thuy Linh. Okay. And how old are you, Tina?
My
How old are you? 12 years old? 11?
11 years old.
11 years old. And how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay. Are you feeling cold?
No.
No, hungry?
No.
No, very good. So tell me your hobbies. My hobbies are
My hobbies are listen to music and badminton.
playing.
Playing badminton.
Very good. And what about your favorite food here in Vietnam? My favorite food?
My favorite food is bánh mì.
Bánh mì. Bánh mì. Oh, do you know how to do bánh mì?
Bánh mì.
We need what? The ingredients of bánh mì.
30.
Ingredients, not price. The ingredients are how do we do bánh mì? Bread. We need bread. Say the word we need.
Mini.
Bread. What else?
Meat.
Meat.
Onion.
Onions.
Vegetable.
Vegetables and
Chili soup.
chili sauce.
Chili sauce.
And then put everything
Put everything in bread.
in the bread.
In the bread.
That bread. Say the word. Put everything in the bread
Put everything in the bread
and
toast the
bread. Okay, maybe how many minutes? 5 minutes or 1 hour? Only 5 minutes? 5 minutes. Wow. How much is my meat? 20 or 25? 35. Okay, not so bad. Now let's move on to part 2, Tina. Okay, part 2. Imagine your friend will come and visit you here in Vietnam, but he is or she is from England. So what food would you recommend to your friend? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, go. I would recommend
I would recommend is
pho. Why?
because it's pho
It's popular,
popular and delicious.
delicious. Okay, can you tell me the ingredients of pho?
Pho
Yeah.
is delicious.
We need, what are the ingredients?
Pho.
We need
Meat,
meat,
onion,
onion,
green onion, broth,
broth, noodles. Do we need noodles?
noodle,
Yes, noodles, and
lemon.
lemon. How much is pho here in Vietnam?
Pho.
How much? Bao nhiêu? How much is the pho?
20,000.
20,000 only? Wow, it's too cheap. Very well. Well, I like pho too. Okay, good job here. Let's move on to part 3. Part 3, you have 2 minutes. You have to follow all the question here, okay? And discuss about your hobby. Ready?
Yes.
Let's start.
My hobby is badminton. Took up the badminton. I was 8 years old.
Equipment.
Equipment
We need
we need racket and shuttlecock.
Do we need net? Net. Yes, we need net. Okay, next. I
play badminton with my friend
And how often? I play every
day.
I play
Badminton is every day.
I like play badminton
I like play badminton
because
because it
I want
helps.
to be
I want to be
healthier
and
stronger.
stronger,
Healthier and
healthier and much stronger.
Very good. Okay, that's the end of our speaking test, Tina. Are you okay now?
Yes.
Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Tina. See you again.